faced with the question of how might we design a teaching resource for Year 10 General Science students so that they better understand how rearranging atoms forms new substances. I was stumped. This is because my years of doing high school science didn't involve a single use of digital learning besides watching David Attenborough. And all the practicals used the same techniques and devices my mum used in the 70s. So I thought, what would I want if I was a student? And what can be used in future years that will stay current with the ever-evolving digital age? I had many ideas at first, from apps to models made of lollies. I tried to think of a way of keeping students engaged with what they were learning and learn at the same time. This is where my idea of an interactive website that is also an assignment came about. Here, students will be able to learn about how atoms can form new substances and molecules. When opening the website, students will be greeted by the instructions for their assignment on a user-friendly layout. The first tab opens up to an interactive periodic table where students can learn about the structure and components of their specific compound. The next tab opens up to a program where students are able to build their compound on a digital format. Here, students can create their own molecules before seeing them in a 3D format. First, they can create a simple molecule like H2O or water. They can then elevate to creating their own molecules themselves. Students will not have to go far for their information, as the following two tabs will have all the information they need to complete the task. This allows for reassurance in the contents as it has been curated by the teacher. The final component of the website is that students will be able to leave questions or comments that either the teacher or other students can reply to. Overall, I believe that this approach will allow the learning of Year 10 General Science to be a part of the digital age through an interactive, reliable, and user-friendly website.